Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketch holder. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a sturdy piece of cardboard, about 1/8 inch thick, a sharp craft knife, and a metal ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget a reliable adhesive, like hot glue or strong craft glue, and a cutting mat to keep your workspace safe. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now, let's get to measuring and cutting. For the main base, mark a rectangle 10 inches by 12 inches on your cardboard. Next, you'll need 2 side pieces, each measuring 10 inches long by 2 inches wide. Use your metal ruler and craft knife to carefully cut along your marked lines. Precision here is key for a stable holder, so take your time and make clean, straight cuts. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even line of strong adhesive along the 2 longer edges of your 12-inch by 10-inch base piece. Carefully position one of the 2-inch wide side pieces onto the adhesive, aligning its edge perfectly with the base. Repeat this for the second side piece. Press firmly for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong, lasting bond. This forms the main structure. To complete your sketch holder, consider adding a small front lip. This prevents your sketches from sliding out. Cut another strip of cardboard, 10 inches long by 1 inch wide. Apply adhesive along one long edge and attach it to the front of your base, between the 2 side pieces. Finally, allow all the adhesive to fully cure for several hours or even overnight before placing any artwork inside. Enjoy your new custom sketch holder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.